Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Redesign Engineering. Today I'll show how to assemble a shock absorber of a motorbike cycle in Solidworks softwares. So before going to start, I want to request everybody, please subscribe my channel, like, comment, and share, and also press the bell icon to get the new videos. Now I am going to start. I'm taking a new file. Assembly is selected. Okay. After that, I'm taking the and to cross it. So I'm taking the MMGS units, then insert components, browse. I'm taking the first of all the top rod, then top rod insert it. Here it's done. Then again insert. Then and I'm taking the base of the shock absorber. Done. After that, I'm going to the mat. And I'm selecting these portions, then I'm going to the inside of this hole. Then it's a coincident and concentrate. Okay, done. Then see the moves. Now I'm going to outwards. Done. And insert another portions. Now I'm taking the knot. The thread knot is taken. Done. After that, I'm going to the mat. I'm selecting this one. After that, outside of this portion, it coincides. Okay, done. See, if I want to go outside, inside, it will go again. I want to go and out. Now see, I want to rotate it. Here rotate, but I want to rotate automatically. Show it automatically. That's why I'm going here on the mat and mechanical mat is selected. I'm taking this screw. So revolution per millimeter is 1. Then another thing I want to show the lines here. The temporary center line is created. I'm selecting this portion, one face, and I'm selecting this another face. Okay, done. Here the rotation is done is this way. Okay, okay. Then I want to hide it. Now see, rotate, rotate. It's revolution per millimeters. Okay, done. After that final parts, I'm inserting, going to the browse, and I'm taking this pin. Okay. Now I want to show the vertical line. Click here, going here, and going to the sweep, sketch the line. Okay, and visible. Now I'm going to the mat. After that I'm selecting. Okay, going to the mat after selecting this line and selecting the outer side of this nut, and I want to concentric, then okay. After that I want to take this portion, click here, and I want to click on this portion. And another one is I want to take, okay, this one is okay. After that, I want to click this portions and click this portion. See now. Okay, I want to hide it. Click and hide. Now, when I want to push here, it will go outside. See, then I'm going here, doing this one. After that, I'm applying the force. Now it's rotating. Again, see, I think got it everybody. If you think that you are benefited, please subscribe my channel, like, comment, and share. And it's not a real, it's a demo. So don't do this draw for a practical life. Thank you everybody for watching this video and please subscribe my channel, like, comment, and share.